Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Looker step by step clearly. To register with Looker, begin by navigating to the Looker website. Locate the Sign Up button on the home page and click it. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Next, select your organization type from the drop-down menu. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. You will receive a verification email shortly after registering. Access your email inbox and locate the verification email from Looker. Open the email and click the verification link provided. This link will redirect you to a confirmation page on the Looker site. Log into your new account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, complete your profile by adding any additional requested information. Explore the introductory tutorials to familiarize yourself with Looker's features. Finally, begin using Looker to analyze your data effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.